Alright y'all, so welcome back to the channel, and today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make some lasagna. Now, I wasn't the lasagna dude, just like my wife is the mac and cheese lady. She was always the lasagna lady too, but she told me how to do it, she showed me, and over the years I've made it, but I was always like going too crazy with the ground beef, like just crazy meat. I learned how to calm it down, and in my opinion, I got it down to the best way to make lasagna, and it comes out great. So let's get busy. I'm gonna show you how I do it. All right, so we in this now. We're getting busy. First thing I gotta do is I gotta brown my ground beef. Bust my pack open, get my ground beef in here. Now I got my ground beef in here. I'm gonna turn my fire on for about, let's say, maybe medium. I'm just gonna brown my ground beef. So I got my sword. But first, before I use my sword, I gotta come in with my seasonings now. So I'm gonna go with some seasoned salt. Just gonna cover my ground beef with my seasoned salt. We ain't going crazy, we're gonna get it right. It's salt, so we know we need to be careful with that. And then same thing with my garlic powder. Cover the meat, and we can go crazy with the garlic powder if we want to, but we don't have to. Just cover it up. Now I got this onion and mushroom seasoning from Myers. I'm gonna put some of that in here because I didn't have any onion powder. I'm really disappointed in myself for not having some onion powder, but here we go. Mushroom and onion seasoning. It's in the game. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Then I'm coming black pepper. Gotta be careful with that. Don't go too crazy. Just cover the top of the meat. And then our Italian seasoning. We're gonna make sure we get plenty of this in here because we're making lasagna, so we definitely want to get that Italian seasoning flavor popping out of this ground beef. So you can go pretty generous with this. You ain't gotta hold back. It ain't gonna make it too salty, and it ain't gonna make it too spicy either. You just want that flavor to come through. So ain't nothing wrong with getting that all up in there. Ground beef looking good. It's almost all brown. We just got a few more minutes. We gotta keep on. Make sure we don't got no red in here. And then we'll drain it and get the lasagna noodles going, so we can start putting it together and popping it in the oven. Matter of fact, I'll go ahead and turn my oven on 350 so that it'll be already heated up. So now I know my ground beef is good. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my my wok for my noodles. Now I'm gonna get this water nice and hot before I drop my lasagna noodles in it. But go almost on high, not quite all the way on high, and just let it warm up and melt that butter. But you know, they make lasagna noodles that they say are oven ready, and then they have regular. I don't care. It doesn't matter if it's oven ready or not. I'm still gonna boil my noodles before I start to build my lasagna. So sometimes I do buy the oven ready noodles, but that doesn't matter to me. I'm boiling them anyway, period, and then build my lasagna, go in the oven. All right, so we're gonna put our lasagna together now and get it in the oven. So first I'm gonna spray my pan. Cooking spray. Gotta do it. Then I'm gonna come with some of my sauce, just a little bit of my sauce. Goes in the pan first. Spread that out. Spread that out as much as I can. Then I'm coming with my noodles. All right, so now I got my noodles in there. Let's see. Gotta come with the sauce. One more time. I'm dropping pepperoni city. This is what our lasagna is going to look like before we go in the oven. Now we're going to cover it with foil and drop it in the oven. Let's get it. in the meantime, I'm going to take a few sausage links, Italian sausage that is, and split them a little bit, down the middle, sort of. Spread them out a little bit. We're gonna go real low on these, and we're gonna have these on the side with our lasagna. You know what I'm saying? Just a little Italian sausage on the side. Something else to bite into while you're eating with your lasagna. That's what we like to do. This is how my wife orders when she's out at an Italian restaurant. She likes to have some Italian sausage on the side. So when I'm cooking at home, I learned that I should do that for her too when I'm at the crib. So that's what we do. My lasagna out the oven, and you always want to let it settle before you start cutting. So I just got it out. My Italian sausages are done. We're ready to eat. We're hungry. Look, we gotta let it settle for about 20 minutes, maybe 25, 30 minutes before we go cutting. That way, when we do cut, we can just get our pieces out evenly and fine, and they won't fall apart. So we just gotta chill for a minute before we get to making plates. So after you get done chilling, waiting for everything to settle, then you can go ahead and cut it. That's what you'll get right there. Appreciate everybody watching. Until we meet again, peace.